Star Song sings and dances.
Hello, girls and boys. Welcome to Storytime Fun. I dedicate this next book to my precious grandchildren, Ethan, Denver, Summer, and Violet.
Our story for today is a My Little Pony story. Star Song sings and dances. Hello, friends. My name is Star Song. My cutie mark is a star. Singing and dancing is what I love to do. When it's time for my dance recital, I slip on my ballet shoes. I love to put on a show for everyone in Ponyville. Ooh, look at her beautiful pink ballet shoes. After my dance recital, Cheerilee and I cool off with our favorite treat. Ooh, that looks like ice cream to me. Oh, it's dripping. Later that day, my friends throw me a birthday party. I wish for a new pair of ballet slippers. Look at those balloons and streamers, too. Fun. Happy birthday. Look at the big balloons. What a busy day. I had a wonderful birthday thanks to all my friends. Isn't she a lucky little pony? That's it for today.